The ability to easily incorporate accurate background views into drawings is one software function that helps modern engineers to be more efficient in what they do. In drafting, background views are commonly used for a variety of purposes, such as referencing remote parts, dimensioning, or simply creating a sense of context in your current drawing. The great news is that our latest enhancements to marine drafting and model linking technologies enable you to have updatable background views inside virtually any ShipConstructor drawing type. In ShipConstructor 2018R2.1, each view is represented by marine drafting 2D geometry extracted from an output drawing. You have complete control over defining the sources and organizing views inside your project. You also decide which details to show and how. For example, a background view can be just a basic cross-section of the ship, or it can be a more sophisticated output that represents depth. In this video, by the way, we're only using cross-sections. But notice how sections run through everything: equipment, curved plates, piping, and other parts. Once the view is available, it can be included in other drawings anywhere in your project. Note that as long as it makes sense, the same background view can be referenced multiple times. This is a sound practice that helps to ensure that any future updates are simple. To find out more about the latest and greatest features, you can review other release materials or the product manual, or just sign in and ask questions on SSI Nexus. More details are available on ssi-corporate.com. See you!